Here's how to clone apps on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and let's say you wanted to clone the Instagram app so that you have two different versions of it, I'll show you how to do it. The easiest way that we can do that is to open up a web browser like Safari or Google Chrome, works the exact same. And on here, let's go to Instagram.com. Now, if you just search for Instagram and tap on it, it will bring you over to the app. So you need to go directly to Instagram.com and hit go. After you've done that, you'll be able to see here I am logged into Instagram.com. I'm going to tap on those three dots at the very bottom right. And then I'm going to tap on the share icon at the very top. From here, all I need to do is swipe down and you can see add to home screen. Just tap on that button and you can see it defaults with the Instagram logo and the Instagram name. And now all I need to do is hit add. Just like that, if I open up the Instagram option here, you can see it opens up the app. Whereas if I open up the Instagram option right here, it will just open up the web-based version. Of course, I could always be logged into a separate account on the app or the web-based version so that it opens up different accounts.